Hi, this is Janardhan Reddy, Architect in CS012, and this is the 10th experiment in data structures and algorithms. So this is the quicksort and medsort. So this is a 10A. So in this, now we are creating this is a quicksort algorithm. So now, so it has a function ability to divide and just sort the algorithms, and again compare that and arrange according to the order. So now we are declaring the function. The whole program is in C++, and we are declaring the two functions here. So int partition int array int low and int high, and void quicksort int array int low and int high. Low means the zero value, high means the last value in the array. So in the main function we are taking the input for array size and number of elements and storing in this, and now we are passing this through this quicksort function. So a0 n minus 1. So next we are using the for loop to just print out the array before sorting. So now we are passing collecting the same values from int array low and high from the above. So here we are giving the pivot as the last element as a pivot, and initially I equal to low minus 1, that is 0. So initially we are creating the temp equal to 0, and now using for loop that j equal to low, j less than or equal to high minus 1 and j plus plus. If array of j is less than pivot, this will execute, that they will swap the numbers, else this will follow. Int y equal to 0, y equal to array of I plus 1, array of I plus 1 equal to array of I, and array of I equal to y. So by using this for loop we are printing the rearranged values. They are rearranging, though step by step we can print this, and this is a void quicksort collecting the above values. Now we are checking in the if condition if low is less than high. So now we are taking an variable that pi, that means partition equal to 0, pi equal to partition of array comma low comma high. So now we are checking that quicksort of array. We are passing this in the quicksort function. So again here we are passing that array comma p of I plus 1 comma high. So we are passing the two variables here. That means we are dividing the given array into two parts and passing it into that, and it will call again and again till the all the numbers are rearranged. So now let's how it works. So now I will give the array size 6. Now I will enter the range as 8, 9, 4, 5, 2, 1. So first I have given 8, 9. So first it has divided 1, 9, 4, 6, 2. So this it will check. So 1, 4, 6, 2, 8. 1, 2, 6. So first here 1 to 6 is divided in the first array. So next 1 to 4 is divided this second array. So now 1 to 4, 6, 8, 9. So both the first part and second parts are combined and added. So here the output is printed. So in this way quicksort works. And now let's check how medsort will work. So this is the medsort algorithm. So it will just check. So in this medsort we have the mid, low and high, three variables. So now we have the int I, j, k and temperature. We are declaring that initially temp equal to I minus low plus 1, and now I equal to low, k equal to 0, j equal to mid plus 1. We are using while loop. While I, just wait a moment, we are reading while I less than mid and j is less than or equal to high. So this if condition will be done, and the value stored in the temp and increment will be done, else. So again we are passing the a of j value into the temp and incrementing k and j, or we are using while life, that while I is less than or equal to mid, so incrementing k and I, else again we are using the while loop that if j is less than or equal to high, so temp of k equal to a of j, that means a of j value will be in temp incrementing k and j. So it will follows like this. So now we are initializing for loop that for I equal to low, I less than high, I plus plus, a of I equal to temp of I minus low. So now here void method int a, int low and int high. So in mid, if low is less than high, so mid equal to low plus high by 2. So we are giving a method and passing that, calling the method and passing the values to that. So the values are sent in like this, and now this is the main function. So here we are creating an array, storing and entering and values, so that we are getting the array size, and we are, by using the for loop, we are storing and we are passing the values into the method. So this is after sorting, we are printing the values what are the present, which they are present in the array. So now let's check the output. So how many elements do you want to store? 5. Enter 5 3 1 4 9. After sorting 1 3 4 5 9. So in this way the method works, and thank you for watching.